Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a resume in Microsoft Word. So first, go to Microsoft Word or open your Word document. Then go to File and select New. Now here you can search for a resume template, or you can click on Resumes and Cover Letters. Or you can type resume and in the search bar, then click on the search icon. And here you have multiple templates to choose from. Select one of them. You have, for example, resumes with pictures, others with no pictures. Let's select this one, for example. Just click on it and then click on Create and wait for a few seconds. Now, click on the picture to change it. Click on it, then go to Format, and here click on Change Picture and select a picture from a file, from online sources, from icon, or from clipboard. Let's select from a file, then select the picture and click on Insert. Now go to the size section, uncheck the lock aspect ratio, and here let's do 2x2. Then click on OK. Now go to Crop and select Fill. Reposition the picture in the frame. Then click outside the picture. And here, add your name, your surname, add your experience, education, communication, leadership experience, and references. And don't forget to add your address, your phone number, your email, and your website. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.